Hello, and welcome to this week's Let's Talk Meshings Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we highlight the Interpolate geometry creation tool and demonstrate how it can be used to quickly create a new ruled-type database surface from two database or surface boundary curves. Database boundaries UMin, UMax, Bmin, and Bmax curves are also created and considered child entities to the ruled surface. The Interpolate command can be accessed from the Create menu. The command is selection sensitive and requires users to select two database curves or surface boundaries prior to being available. After selecting two database curves or surface boundaries, selecting Interpolate from the Create menu opens the Interpolate panel. In the orientation frame, select from one of the options that produces the most suitable surface. Best aligns the curves to achieve the shortest distance between like curve intervals. The same option connects the curves in the same order. For example, UMin on one curve is connected to UMin on the opposite curve, and this continues through UMax on both curves. Opposite connects intervals in the opposite order. That is, UMin on one curve is connected to UMax on the opposite curve. Selecting the opposite option here results in a surface that is twisted upon itself and unlikely to be the best option in this case. Use the tolerance frame to adjust the fit tolerance used by the Interpolate command for those cases where the default tolerance does not produce a valid surface. Users can uncheck the Use Default option and then either a custom value as desired. Click OK to save the surface and exit the Interpolate panel. If you like this video, then be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, then drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter using the link in this video's description. Thank you and have a pleasant Tuesday.